Stay with me, because by the end of this message, you will never look at your wallet the same way again. Number one reason why you are still broke is because you think everything belongs to you. You think you own everything. Now, when you read the Bible in Psalms 24 verse 1, it says, "The earth is the Lord and everything in it. It all belongs to God." This verse completely changes our perspective. Many people will often say, my money, my house, my car, my business, it's my, and yet we didn't bring anything into this world. But the Bible teaches that everything belongs to God. We are not owners, we are just stewards. So if you are a steward, you do not own. A steward manages what belongs to someone else. When you understand this truth, you stop wasting resources and begin to manage money wisely. When we read Luke 16 verse 10, it says, "Whoever can be trusted with the very little can also be trusted with much." God often looks at how we manage small things before entrusting us with bigger things. So you are sitting there working hard, wanting to make money, but you are not able to manage what God has already given to you. And if He checks our hearts and say, if He is able or she is able to manage the little that I have given her, then more responsibility will come. So we become rich when we are trusted with what we have.